till it's too late. I hope it isn't too late. And so, the illusion of illusions. Tonight you are undergoing the greatest change of your lives, a transmogrification of a most unique nature. You are no longer flesh and blood, bone and sinew. You are ice, granite, marble. A ballroom filled with the greatest statues the world has ever seen. Ramona.
Congratulations. You've proved a point. You are a star of stars. Everyone fades before you.
Everyone except you. Ramona, I love you.
Those are just words, Alonzo.
Wendell.
Huh?
My real name is Wendell Morden.
The amazing Wendell Morden. If you haven't told me about it all these years, why tell me now?
Well, why not? You'll see it on the marriage license.